If you want artistic output on your canvas right here in Corel Draw, then you can utilize something called artistic media. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the brush section right here. And then over here, you can see that artistic media is an option. So if I were to go ahead and select this, then what happens is that I get a brush option. And as I draw, nothing happens at the beginning, but as I draw, you can see that it actually adds in depth to it. So if I were to go around over here onto vector brush right here, then you get more like a vector brush and you get a pattern of whatever you choose right here, as you can see. And there are many different brushes patterns that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Like this one, you can go around and choose this one right here, click and drag around, and then you got that particular pattern. You even have the sprayer, as you can see right here. So you got more like a spray right here, just like this, as you go around and drag around. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this is a pattern, and you can go around and change the pattern as you like as well. So apart from that, you also get a more calligraphic look, as you can see right here. You can change around the angle of the calligraphy as well, just like this, and get the look you want right here as well. So apart from that, you also have an option to draw a blob brush right here, just like this, and you can change around the width and height right here, just like this as well, and so forth, and change around the angle as well. You can of course change around the level of smoothness right here for the brush that you want for the final output as well. And these are different elements right here, and if I were to go around, I can select them individually and then choose a different color for them as well. And this is how you can draw more like freehand and then utilize the artistic media to create different things as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.